In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Jira ticket into a sprint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Jira is a powerful project management tool that many teams use to track their work and ensure all tasks are completed on time. One common task you might encounter is moving a ticket or an issue into a sprint. A sprint is a set period of time during which specific work has to be completed and made ready for review. So let's go through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to log into your Jira account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Jira login page. Enter your credentials and get ready to access your projects. It might take just a moment, so feel free to grab a cup of coffee while it loads. Once you're logged in, take a look at the dashboard to get your bearings a bit. You should now see your projects listed on the main screen. Now the next step is to click on the project that you're working on. Depending on your organization's Jira setup, this could be a list of various projects you are assigned to. Just find the one you want to work on and go ahead and click on it. This will take you into that specific project where you will find all related tasks and tickets. After you've accessed your project, the third step is to click on Backlog. The backlog is a fantastic feature in Jira that shows all open issues that need to be resolved. When you click on Backlog, you'll see a list of all the tickets that are in the queue. This is where you will be able to determine which ticket you are ready to move into the active sprint. Once you're in the backlog view, it's time for the fun part. The fourth step is to drag and drop any work into your sprint section. Each sprint section will typically be labeled, so you'll know where your current sprint is located. Simply locate the ticket you want to move, click, hold, and then drag it over to the sprint you're working on. When you see the highlighted area for the sprint, release your mouse button and voila, your ticket is now in the sprint. It's important to make sure you're dragging the right ticket to avoid confusion later on, so double check the ticket title as you're moving it. This way, you're ensuring that all team members are on the same page regarding which tasks are currently in progress within the sprint. And that's it. You've successfully moved a Jira ticket into your sprint. Remember, communications with your team are vital, especially when managing tasks, so don't hesitate to update teammates about any changes you've made. To recap, first, log into your Jira account. Next, click on the project you're working on. Then, navigate to the backlog view, and finally, drag and drop your chosen ticket into the sprint you want to work on. If you found this video helpful and learned something new today about managing your Jira tickets, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Make sure to comment below if you have any questions or if there's something specific you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.